What's up, everybody? Excuse my little throat things and shit. I'm kind of sick a little bit, but right now I'm working on a 2011 Chevy Tahoe. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the door handle if you have a muscular ass son that rips the door handles off. I bought the door handle from Rock Auto. I paid like 25 bucks for it total. That was with the shipping. The door handle itself was like maybe 11 or 12 bucks. But there it is. I opened the wrap to make sure it was the right one. I got the right door handle. Hey, I got the little tripod, so y'all see me on Pornhub, just give a shout out. I'm just fucking with y'all. But I'm gonna show you guys how to take the door panel off and get the door handle out and put it all back together. The inside plastic thing, it's glued down. I don't have the original glue for it, so I'm just gonna use a hot glue gun. You're gonna start off with taking this off, popping this off, and getting the door lock out. To get the door lock out, just use like a little scribe. Fuck. Well, you use a scribe, pop this tab out right here, and then the lock comes up. And then same with this part right here. And then with this one, I just use a flathead screwdriver. There's a switch right here. You just push the tab down like that, and then there's this one right here I forgot about. There is a bolt back there. And then there's one right there. The bolt size is a 10 millimeter, by the way. And then to get the door up, to get the door cover off, you start at the bottom. And pop the clips off. And then you slide it up. Ah, shit. To disconnect the door cable, there is a piece right there, and inside here, right there, you push the little two tabs in. let me find my needle nose or 2 screwdrivers real quick. Okay, got that off. If I wasn't able to get it off, I was just going to take the door handle off from inside there. So let's try to get this. You don't have to take this all the way off, just peel it back some and you'll see the bolt right there. And then shit, it's right there where my finger is, if you can see it. Let me turn the flash on. Alright, there we go. It is right there. There. Right there. In order to get the door handle, it's on, to get it off the lever, you have to take these 3 torque bits, and it is a T30. So I'm going to undo that and catch it back on. Or, if my shit doesn't fall over. So with taking those 3 torque bits out, it allows the latch to slide forward, and then you can get your door handle off. And then I have to get this bolt off. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to use a pair of pliers and hold it with one side, and use either my drill or my socket wrench for the other side. Okay, got it off. There's the 2 10mm bolts for the door handle, the 3 T30 bits. Hold on. And then the 2 10mm bolts that hold the door panel up, and then the door panel shit itself. And then I'm about to put it all back together now. Actually, this tripod's really not good. Unless I'm making films, not for YouTube. But let me unwrap this and I'll show you how to install it. Alright, think I got it figured out. I'm using my recycling can to set the tripod up, and the big ass truck blocks the wind from it trying to not tip it over. So I hope you guys can see it good. Alright, there we go. So how you get it in, you come over here, you lift the latch assembly, and it's gonna reveal that. So let me get that adjusted right there. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this. It looks like it's like leaning like the Titanic. Alright, our new door handle from Rock Auto. You put it on like that. There we go. You had to, I had to wiggle it and made sure it was sitting right. I'm gonna take it back out, and hopefully from this angle you guys can see what I was doing. So when you're taking it out, alright, it has to be on this little curve right here. It has to be on that curve right there, and then it like slides into the door. Come on this side and show you. Like that. And then you slide it into the door. Oh! And then, what up, pimp? Nah, shit, making a video of how to fix the door handle that Carter decided to break. And then you line your latch assembly up. Put in your 3 T30s. Fuck, every time I make a fucking video, dude. Put in your 3 T.
Together, huh?
Hell yeah, I just got tired of dealing with it.
Yeah.
I gotta do the Impala next. Alright, I'm just doing those by hand. And then you gotta come in and do your door ones. Right there. And right there. Alright, that's lined up some. Well, that's as lined up as it's gonna get, in my opinion. So let me put these in by hand. So I got it in there. I don't know why I'm trying to show you that one bolt, but you got to put it in by feel. There it is. And then there's the other one. So let me get those tightened down, and I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, I got those tightened down. For the one that's on the far side this way, I used a 10mm wrench, and then just slowly had to tighten it down slowly, little bit by little bit. And then the outside one that you can visibly see, I used my impact, and now let's see if it works. Moment of faith. Hey. Hey, check your boy out. Did it. So now, putting the door back together. Hopefully my hot glue gun's warmed up. Yeah, it is. you got to get the cable back onto here and into this hole right there. And then you lift the door up. Lift it up like that, slide it back onto the ridge. Oh, I got the keys. And that is how you fix your door handle problem. Make sure it opens from the inside. Hey, these windows are dark as hell, G. And there we go. Finished it.